What's up, everybody? This is Sister Slayage, and welcome to my channel, in it big boo sugars. Today, I am doing a smoky eye with some multi-dimensional, very colorful glitter. And if you want to know how I got this look, just stay tuned and watch this tutorial, fam. First, I am starting off with my eyebrows already done. And I'm speeding this video up, honey, because, you know, they can get a little long. But I am using the Eyeshadow Soft Teddy in my crease. And I am also going to use the 224 blending brush to disperse that color and just blend it as evenly as possible. And I'm laying that down as my transition color and my base. Now I am going into the Burgundy Times 9 palette, and I'm using the color called Haux, H-A-U-X. And I am going back in over that color to kind of deepen it up a little bit and make it a little more intense. And I'm just doing the same thing using the 224 brush. I didn't even have to wipe it off. Now I'm going into the Morphe, I think it's the 9S palette, and I am using these two brown colors. I think it's Witness and some other color, honey. I don't know how to maybe lie to you. I'm using those colors in the middle, and I am going to deepen up the sides of my crease. I have hooded lids, so I don't really have a lot of crease space to work with, honey. And you know, I just kind of have to make myself have a bigger eye, because them joints is tighter than biker shorts, baby. I got little eyes. So I am building up the drama and making it more intense, and, you know, building up the depth, you know, gradually building up for that dog smoky that I'm about to lay on that joint. So I'm just blending my life away, y'all. Make sure y'all blend so you won't have them fine lines. Now I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. It's the black one. It could be found at Ulta for like $5 or $6. If you really want a nice and intense smoky eye, or if you want any of your dark colors to pop, you definitely want to lay this down as a black eyeshadow base. And y'all, I literally could have just blended around this with some black eyeshadow and could have went out the door like this if I wanted to be lazy, which I am. But I'm not gonna be lazy today. I'm not. But this is like so good. Me and my sister over there chatting. I'm looking at apartments and stuff, honey. But yeah, this stuff is so good, and it doesn't crease, it doesn't smudge. It literally stays on all day. It is like one of the best $6 eyeshadow bases you can get. Now I'm going back in with the color called Witness from the Morphe 9S palette, and I am softening the edges of that black. And now I'm using the black from the Morphe palette, and I am just layering it on top of that black eyeshadow base. It's not gonna go anywhere, but I still like to just set it, and also it just builds it up and make it more intense, because I want this eye to be dramatic. When I say dramatic, like theater student dramatic, you know what I'm talking about? And I'm just slapping that black on top of there. And then since Morphe eyeshadows are so pigmented, they do need something to kind of stick to. And I'm just using my brush to lightly blend around the edges while I lay that color down. As y'all can see, I really just mainly use one brush or two brushes for my eyes. Now in this particular case, I'm getting this smaller brush, this detail brush, because as I mentioned earlier, my eyes are very tight. So I am using the Sweet Heat mineral, not in Extreme Dimension eyeshadow, to bring a little glow into the corners of my eye. So I had to use a very small blending brush that is like perfect for detailing with small eyes, and I'm putting a little highlight in the corner of my eyes. Come on, eyes. Now I am going in with this Makeup by Aaliyah palette from a client of mine. I am so excited about trying this palette, and if y'all want me to do a review on her stuff, let me know. And I'm using that loose glitter. It's a loose black glitter from MAC. I got it as a sample because I wasn't buying any more glitter. And I am using my, I think it's a 236. I don't know, Hill. Okay, so I'm using that to put my black glitter down. And I like to use that black glitter as a base because I still want a little shimmer there. And I'm going to add some more glitter. You know what I'm saying? Glitter on top of glitter. Strip of glitter. Come on, glitter. And I am layering that black glitter on. Excuse the fallout. I am going to wipe it all off, I promise. And you want to build it up. You know, you want to be hella extra. And now I'm going in with that palette and I'm using this black, and it's like a black and silver graphite looking glitter mix. And I'm going on top of it with that glitter. Yes, people, what have we learned today, children? Be extra with the glitter, baby. Bring on the glitter. So I am packing that glitter on using my finger. This palette was pressed. I don't know if it was pressed with glycerin in the glitter or what, but it's better to work with your finger with this stuff, because if not, it doesn't really get color payoff. And you see how it's getting a little more sexy by the minute. And now I am going to go back in that palette and I am going to put some more glitter up there. And I used 2 different shades of glitter. No, four. Now I'm going in with that blue and pink and purple shade, and I like it because it just gives some more dimension, but I didn't layer a lot of it. That was like my last glitter that I used, because I just wanted to have like this multi-dimensional effect. So when I turn my head, girl, it'd be blue, green, pink, purple. Look like a box of crayons on my eyes, because we extra. Now I am taking a knockoff Neutrogena wipe courtesy of Walmart Equate Sam's Club 2-pack for $8, and I am cleaning up that glitter because I don't want myself to be lumpy. Now I am using a Urban Decay 24-hour glide on eye pencil in the blackest black that they have, and some Smashbox mascara, and I got this as a sample 100 point thing from Sephora. Yes, so I am using it as my mascara. And now for my primer, I am using the new Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. I got it in my Influencer Vox box. If y'all don't have Influencer, you better get it, baby. It's worth nothing. Not worth nothing, but you don't have to spend any money. So it's the best free you ever get. Now I am using my Pro Longwear foundation, the Pro Longwear Waterproof in NC45. And I'm using my Booty Blender. I thought this blue beauty blender was gonna bring a little more joy to my life, but there were no Smurfs and there were no blueberries, and yeah, I'm pissed. So beauty blender, your colors should bring more joy to my life. Now I'm using this old concealer that will probably make my face rot off, but I don't care because it's one of my favoriteest concealers, and it is the NYX Got You Cover Concealer. This stuff is super thick. You don't need a lot. To the point to where I've had this concealer for so long and I still haven't used it all up. Now I am using the MAC Studio Care Blend Powder. They no longer make this. Y'all gonna get mad at me because I'm using a lot of products they no longer make. But I stocked up on my favorite because, just in case people stop making my stuff, I'll have it. Now the NC45 loose powder, and I am putting it all on my face. And as you notice, I look a little ghostly. But I am gonna gradually add color back into my face, because the only way I'm gonna look dead is actually on the day of my funeral, and I'm not going to my funeral, so I am going to add color back in. And now I am using the MAC number 75 lashes. They came out with the art library, and they look like mink, and they're pretty, and they're extra, and I think they're permanent. So if you can get your hands on one of them 75 lashes, girl, you best to get them. You hear me? Best to get them. So now my lashes are on, and to get rid of that powdery look, I am going in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And as you all know, I spray my face and let it get a little tacky, and then I go in with my highlight. So now I am using my chestnut lip liner. Oh, I love chestnut, the best brown liner. There's nothing else like it. Now I'm going in with my highlight. Now that spray has gotten tacky on my face, it just makes the highlight just more intense, a little more intense. So, if you heard a bark, that is my dog. Now I am highlighting in the center of my nose. I don't really like contouring my nose. I like the shape of my nose, but I do this look is extra, so I want to be extra with the highlight. Now I am adding some contour using my NARS Cadiz powder foundation, and just adding it to my face so I won't look so dead. Now I'm going in with Burnt Spice Retro Matte liquid retro matte, and I'm done. I'm taking down my little headband, and I'm frumping my hair, frimping, what's the word? Hell, I don't know. And I'm done, boo. That's it. So if y'all enjoyed this tutorial, let me know. Get in those comments and let me know how you feel about a tutorial and if you will be trying it, because I want to see how y'all do. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the squad. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna hurt. Don't join the squad. Support the cause. Show the nation some appreciation. Love you, boo sugars. Bye.